Hey everybody, Johnny here. Just going to give you a quick little under hood tour of the 72 Chevy C20 Pestilence pickup. I started getting a little bit of work done this week on it. Changed a few things around and got some tuning done on it. So I figured I'd just give you guys a quick little tour and show you what's going on under here and what I've got kind of planned other than keeping it running and driving. So we'll get to it. So it's just your standard small block Chevy 350. It's absolutely bone stock. I think it's got just over 18,000 miles on it now. Actually, no, I think 23,000, something like that. Not a whole hell of a lot going on. I've got a Edelbrock Performer manifold on there. That was just to get rid of the old cast iron one that was the exhaust crossover for the choke was blocked. Added some brand new throttle return springs there, and got a new battery under the hood. So that's really about it. We're going to go after the thermostat and the housing, get rid of that. There's a little bit of a leak there, and that's really about it. Just clean everything up and start painting. You can see the fender wells are a little bit rusty, crusty, and get rid of this old AC stuff, but probably do some rewiring under the hood at some point, and not really a whole hell of a lot else. It runs good, so just going to keep it on the road and keep putting as many miles as I can on it. So just figured I'd show you guys what was going on under here in case any of you were curious. That's about it. So I'll check in with you guys in a few days. I got some other stuff coming up this week, and hopefully I can get another video posted. So see you later.